Today we shall discuss exercise 1.4 question number 2. Verify that a divided by in bracket b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values of a, b and c. Let us verify whether it is true or not. The first question is, if we take a question, the value of a is equal to 12. The value of b, the value of b is equal to minus 4, and value of c is equal to 2, is equal to 2. Now we find left hand side LHS. left hand side is equal to a divided by in bracket b plus c, Now find that what is the value of a. A is 12 divided by, what is b? The value of b is minus 4. In second bracket it is minus 4 plus c is 2. Now what you are getting, that is 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. One is plus, one is minus. Therefore you subtract the smaller number from the greater number. That is 4 minus 2 is 2. And which one is greater? 4 is greater than 2. Therefore the sign will be minus 2. Therefore you are getting 12 divided by minus 2. And that comes to plus divided by minus. The answer will be minus, and 2 6 is 12, that is minus 6. And here if we find the right hand side, what is the RHS, then you will get a divided by b plus a divided by c, a divided by c. What are you getting? A divided by b, a is 12 divided by b means minus 4 plus a divided by c, plus a is 12 and divided by c is 2. Right? What are you getting? That is 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. What are you getting? Here see, 12 divided by 4, that is 3, and plus divided by minus is minus, plus 2 6 is 12, 6. Now 1 is minus, 1 is plus, therefore you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number, that is 6 minus 3 is 3. And which one is greater? 6 is greater, therefore plus sign will be there. Here you see, left hand side is minus 6, right hand side is plus 3. Therefore you can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And thus A is verified. Now it is verified that it is not equal to, right? Now we will solve question number B. Question number B, value of A is minus 10, B is 1 and C is 1. Let us find the value of section B. In section B, what you are finding, that in section B, the value of A is minus 10 is equal to minus 10, and B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. Now left hand side LHS, left hand side is equal to A divided by B plus C. A is minus 10 divided by B plus C. B is 1 plus C is 1 also, right? That is, we are getting minus 10 divided by 2. That is, we are getting minus 10 divided by 2. That is, minus divided by plus is minus, and 2 5 is 10. That is, answer is minus 5. Now, if we take the right hand side, we are getting A divided by B plus A divided by C. What are you getting? C? A divided by B. A is minus 10. It is minus 10 divided by B is 1 plus A is minus 10 divided by C, that is divided by 1. What you are getting, you see, minus 10 divided by 1, minus 10 divided by 1 plus in bracket minus 10 divided by 1. In this case, you are getting minus 10 plus into minus is minus 10. They are same sign, therefore it will add the numbers. The 10 plus 10 is 20, and the sign will be minus. Here you see that left hand side is minus 5, right hand side is minus 20. Therefore, you can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is verified. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.